problem.
And not get on my nerves so you don't end up in the negative. How sad. Okay, today I want to do 1, 5, 6, and 7. Can someone tell me the answer to number 1? My key does not say C. Yes, table 2 knows the answer. It's A. My key says number 1 is A. Okay, so it says a discount 25% off of a desk saves Mark $45. So we had some object, I'm going to call it X, that gave us a discount of 25% off, so 0.25, and that saved us a $45. So we should have solved, and we would have gotten X equals 180. Now, did you actually have to set up an equation? No. No. You could have been smart enough to realize 25% is a quarter. That's 1/4. 45 times 4 is 180. Maybe you did it that way. Did you have to make an equation like a math teacher? No. Why did most people choose C, and why is that wrong? Yes, Sierra. Yes, 5.
Because we didn't see that as how much he paid.
Yeah, so he's saving 45, so 180 minus 45 is the 135. So literally you did the correct math, but you didn't read, and that's why 2 got the 0.5, you can have a point. And that's why 2 had the one person get it right when everyone else in the world wanted to put C. Okay, are there any questions about number 1? Okay, I want to do another percent one. It's number 5. Number 5 says 35% of what number is 70? 5 is E. You get another point here. You're on it. Again, I'm a formula person, so I would have done 0.35 times what number, so 0.35 times X is 70. So I would have gotten X equals, when I multiply both sides with 0.35, I would have gotten X equals 200. Divide both sides by 0.35. So 5 is E. Do you have to write an equation? No. Are you smart enough to think things through? Yes. If I know 50% of 70 is, you're like, well, that's 140. So 150, 175, that's too big. 10% of 70 is like 7. I don't know. I feel like you could have reasoned your way into this without actually making an equation. Okay, does someone besides, or is Brendan just the only genius today? Does someone besides Brendan know the answer to number 6? Yes, dear. 6 is B. It says 5% of 2,000. What number is 5% of 2,000? So 0.05 would be 5% of 2,000. And you would get 100. No, some people are going to make a mistake, and they're going to be in the same habit of doing, they're going to try to do what we did in the previous problem. This problem is different because it's saying 5 says 35% of what number is 70. This one's saying our number is 2,000. What's 5% of that? So be very careful when you read the problem because that one was tricky. Number 7. So I can please stop talking. Yes, dear. 7 is C. What percent of 90 is 27? So 90 times some percentage, I'm going to call it X, equals 27. So X equals 27 divided by 90. And if you type that in your calculator, you will get 0.3, which is 30%. Perfect. Okay, so you can get another point. Okay, are there any questions about the math workshops?
C, 3, 4.
We didn't do 3 and 4. We just did 1, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, we're
Yeah.